So you're looking for a home with a bunch of character and all the awesome upgrades inside? Well, today we have exactly what you're looking for. We're located here in Hunters Creek, a well-established neighborhood conveniently located in the north side of San Antonio. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Quentin and I'm going to be your realtor for the next few minutes. But before we actually get inside this gorgeous home, please do us a favor, go down below, drop a like on the video. And if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the San Antonio real estate market, we would encourage you to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Without further ado, let's go right inside this bad boy. So as we approach this beautiful home, there's a few items I do want to notate. We are going to be in a cul-de-sac. So we have kind of the ending of the cul-de-sac lot, which is going to be a third of an acre, 2-car garage, but you have this amazing driveway. It's kind of like a J drive, but you have immense parking here. You're gonna have this huge tree that gives you a bunch of shade. It's kind of awkward, it's in the middle of the driveway, but I love how much shade it brings in. I mean, for your cars, and if you wanna be on the front patio, you can have a bunch of shade here, or you can go to the private side and all these trees still give you a nice amount of shade. But we'll go over there here in a little bit. Let's go inside, starting with this actually pretty nice black door. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, they pretty much redid everything in this property. I mean, as you walk in, you can already see most of the upgrades. Nonetheless, this is a 2,700 square foot home, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. But let's actually start with the half bath here on my left. So they did a great job pretty much everywhere. I mean, all of the finishes that they did are insane. I mean, this wallpaper is gorgeous. It's kind of, if you know kind of thing, right? There's a Prada store in the middle of the desert here in Texas. I shouldn't say the desert, middle of nowhere here in Texas, that is supposed to symbolize. But on the right, we have the dining space. It is, can't really tell, but it is a little raised. So nice little feature there in this property. But it was built in 1979. So you're gonna have a lot of quirks like that, but also a lot of character. And that's really the biggest thing with this property is the amount of character in the home while still being like completely upgraded. So this side of the house is gonna be where the master is. We'll save that towards the end. But on my right is gonna be the living and kitchen. So let's start with the living space. Great size room, huge fan right there. And then actually where the TV is are built in. So this whole thing is built in with the cabinets. I love when builders do that. They don't really do it too much anymore, but most of these older homes do have things of that nature, which are amazing. You have a nice pitch in the ceiling towards the end over there. And then we'll see kind of a theme or huge windows. I mean, this window is probably 9 feet, 8 feet, something of that nature. Ginormous, huge picture frame. And then you open right up into the kitchen. So you have this kind of peninsula right here, island. You actually have a full island in the middle, but look at all this prep space. I mean, a bunch of countertop and a good amount of cabinets. So all of this is cabinet, and then on the right, you have a bunch more cabinets here. We are in an electric neighborhood, so here's gonna be your stovetop, double oven here, and then the pantry is going to be tucked away in the right over here. But again, for being 2,700 square feet, they use the space really well. You also have an informal over here. It's kind of tucked away, but again, all those awesome windows bringing in so much natural light. And then I truly love this. I mean, I'm a big coffee guy, so you have the opportunity for a little coffee area here. But something else I wanted to notate is going to be this backsplash. So you really can't tell too much, but it is a tile, and it's like this black tile with a black grout. It's really nice. We have the laundry tucked away back here with a sink, some good cabinet space, and then back in this corner, you actually have the opportunity for a water plumbed fridge. So that's a awesome touch. And then over here behind me is going to be where the 2-car garage entrance is. That's going to be one of the back door entrances. We'll see that later. But again, an array of windows right here, letting in so much natural light. And then you can tell, give you a little sneak peek, we have not a courtyard necessarily, but we also have a cat and a squirrel fighting. That's actually pretty funny. But we have like semi courtyard vibes going here, a nice little deck. They redid the full deck as well. To my right is going to be a flex space, double glass French doors going in. And then it drops down into a second living, an office. I mean, truly, whatever you want to make it, it definitely has the opportunity. It's quite a large room. So you really could make this a kids' play area or a second living. They're obviously using it kind of as both an office and a secondary living. But what I truly love about this room is this gorgeous fireplace. It is going to be bricked all the way up. And then on both sides, you have the built-ins and then another sink on the left. So he's using it kind of as like a wet bar, very similar to what I would do. But you guys know me if you've been to the channel. I love like my movies and my sports. So would have the game on in here. This would be kind of a man cave / office, similar to what he kind of has it as. So I have like a getaway for work, but also if I need to have the boys over and watch some fights. So we'll now use this to go outside. There's going to be 2 entrances to the backyard. So it's going to be a little bit, like I said, of an oversized lot at 0.33, so a third of an acre. Great space. And then to my right is going to be the deck area. So as we go back into the property, some more of those awesome windows on the left. Straight ahead is going to be a shaker door that is a coat closet. And something else they did is these doors, they're pretty much everywhere. I mean, another one right there. And then the flooring. I mean, it's a luxury vinyl plank. This is a drop down into the master, but a luxury vinyl plank. They did the flat squared off baseboards as well. And then this is going to be the primary suite. So again, you drop down, get a little bit more ceiling height in here, which is nice. You do have the double doors to the front porch. So let's take a look at that. Boom. Nice little area, very private and intimate. I mean, this half wall is probably 5 or so feet tall. None of your neighbors can really see you, but you do have access there to go to the side yard and then to the backyard. So really nice spot to enjoy some coffee or read a little book. But nonetheless, here's another shot of the primary suites. Then we get into the primary bath. So closet straight ahead. You then have a his and hers vanity. So boom, one vanity. This is going to be the his closet. So another nice size closet. And then you actually also have kind of a makeup area right here in the middle. And honestly, I like how divided it is. Each partner has their own space for everything, whether it's a medicine cabinet, the actual vanity, mirror, all of the above. You have more windows in here. And then this is going to be the shower. So tiled all the way up, no tub in the primary. And then you have some more nice storage right there. But again, like I mentioned, windows everywhere. Like they truly do have windows almost in every wall of this property. And actually, let's go take one last look at these windows. These are so beautiful. Just huge picture frame windows. It's essentially wall-to-wall windows. Just amazing. So going to the second floor, again, nice window one last time. We do have these wrought iron stairwell kind of banisters, if you will, going up. And then no carpet in this house at all. They continued the luxury vinyl plank throughout. And then you have another bathroom here. Dual vanity, very similar look to the downstairs bathroom being the master as well as the kitchen. And then I love this tile in here. You're gonna have the tub for the house here, and then like this gorgeous green tile. And it looks like a grayish um, grout or mortar, which is really nice. You do have some more storage there. And then I did skip over this, a nice little storage section here and here. And that's not it, some more there. So great storage in this property as well. Another bedroom here, you have 2 closets. She's using this as her office, but another great size room. And then the last bedroom is gonna be over here. So really good sized bedrooms. It's very typical in older homes to get a little bit bigger of a bedroom than the newer homes. So it's kind of expected, but again, nonetheless, an awesome, awesome room. So the biggest thing you guys are probably asking yourself or asking me, Quentin, what is the price? So this property is priced at $525,000. Again, it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. And it's fully, like I said, fully redone. From the texture, they removed the texture, to the baseboards, to the flooring, even to the cabinets. You have granite in here, the backsplash, all of the above is pretty much brand new. Some of the doors are gonna be brand new, meaning exterior, and then all the interior doors are brand new with the fixtures as well, or the finishes as well, door handles, stuff of that nature. So gorgeous, gorgeous home. And this is what you can get in San Antonio for $525,000. Okay, guys, so that's going to conclude the tour of this gorgeous home. Like always, go down below, let us know what you liked, what you didn't like, and what your favorite feature of the property was. Alongside that, if there's any other properties, neighborhoods, or builders you would like for us to tour on your behalf, again, let us know down in the comment section below. But if you like this property, I'm sure you're going to like this video as well. And if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the San Antonio real estate market, you can always just subscribe.